Namaskar and welcome. You're watching the Awaz and I am Janvi Parekh with you. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami is providing homes to more than 25,000 families. Earlier showing concerns for the industrial sector, now Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is working on the overall development of the state. Starting from education, industries, services and now housing, Dhami is working hard for the people of Uttarakhand. In a tweet he said, under the able guidance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Uttarakhand is writing a new chapter of development. In this episode, under the Pradhan Mantri Shahari Awas Yojana, we will build about 25,000 houses for the homeless people in the urban areas of the state. Giving residence to about more than 25,000 families, Dhami is trying to eradicate the problems of housing from the state. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami's gift to Anganwadi and Asha workers will get 1,000 rupees each. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is going to give gifts and 1,000 rupees to each and every Anganwadi worker and Asha workers of the state on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. Let us inform you that after launching the free pathology test schemes in all the hospitals and health centers of the state, Dhami said that we have set a target that in 4 months we will vaccinate 100% of the corona. Dhami said that more than 17 lakh vaccines have been provided this month, out of which more than 1.5 lakh people have been vaccinated till today. While talking about this free scheme, the Chief Minister said that many people are unable to get their tests done after falling ill. In such a situation, everyone would be given the benefit of Ayushman Health Scheme in the state. Dr. J.P. Nadda's visit fixed for Uttarakhand. Dr. J.P. Nadda, BJP's national president, visit to Uttarakhand has been fixed. Nadda will stay in Uttarakhand on 20th and 21st August. Dehradun has become the target for the program of the national president of the party. Madan Kaushik, BJP state president, said that JP Nadda will reach Jolly Grant Airport on August 20th at 10 am. Following a grand welcome at Bhaniyawala, Chiddarwala, Nepali farm Raiwala, Nadda will be staying at a hotel located in Bhupatwala. All the party programs will be held in the same hotel. On the first day, the meeting will be held with the state office bearers, district president, president of the fronts and general ministers. On the same day at 4 o'clock, there will be a meeting with MPs, MLAs and ministers. There will be a separate meeting with the state president and his general ministers. On August 21st, Nadda will participate in an interaction program with ex-servicemen at Raiwala. He will hold a meeting with the district president, municipal corporation, DCB presidents. He will meet the sages and saints in Haridwar in the evening. Seats of 43 IAS and PCS officers have been reshuffled overnight. The Dhami government has made its third major administrative reshuffle on Tuesday. Nitesh Kumar Jha have been removed from the responsibility of the Secretary Director of Panchayati Raj. This position was not of his level. His wife Secretary Radhika Jha has also been given the post of Investment Commissioner in Delhi. Under the reshuffling, the charges of 43 IAS and PCS officers have been changed. Some of the charges have been removed. In this reshuffle, some bureaucrats who were influential during the time of Trivendra Raj have been taken care of. Uttarakhand to become the spiritual capitals of Hindus across the world. Assembly elections are going to take place in Uttarakhand next year, due to which the Aam Aadmi Party is continuously making announcement to get the support from the people of Uttarakhand. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and the former leader of Aam Aadmi Party tweeted on Tuesday that the state would be made the spiritual capitals of Hindu under the leadership of Ajay Kotiyal. Thank you. Keep watching the Awaz for the latest updates.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.